Hey guys, welcome back to SlayedByK.C. We got another video coming at you already know. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how I curl my hair. I'm gonna also show you the curly iron that I use. Just to give you guys a little bit of background, I usually either blow dry my hair, let it air dry, or when I go to the salon, like they'll do a little something to it. I almost never ever curl or put waves in my hair. It's very fine hair, and I just feel like they never hold. For some strange reason though, like last month for my BoxyCharm Luxe, I got a curling iron in the box, and for some strange reason I was like, let me just try it. And I went and I started curling my hair, and I was like, whoa, what the hell? Like, it actually stays. It actually looks cute. What is this? And I felt like a whole new girl. So this is for all my fine-haired beauties out there that felt like your curls could not hold. This is a tutorial with no hairspray. I do not use hairspray unless the salon lady puts hairspray on my hair. I don't do it. Typically my hairstyles don't last more than a day or two anyways, and if you have fine or thin hair, you know damn well they don't last. If you're about to go out in the future, because we're in quarantine, but if you're about to go out, or if you're an essential worker, you just want to look cute to work real quick, if you're out there, or if you just want to look cute at home, or if you just want something to do because you're bored, I'm going to show you how to curl your hair the way I do it. First thing that you're gonna want to get is some hair separators, and I usually used to do this with just regular bobby pins or clips, but I got these from Amazon because I feel like they're way more sturdy. So these are actually help separate your hair a little better, especially if you have thicker hair. For thin-haired people, honestly, I just got these because they're cute, because you could get anything to separate your hair, like your hair just poops. So yeah, there you go. Obviously you're gonna need a curling iron. This is not a tutorial on how to do your hair with a straightening iron, because I don't even know how people do that. I see the video sometimes and I'm like, damn, how did you... I see the video and I'm still confused as how you used a straightening iron to curl your hair. That's just magic to me, magic. But you know, to each their own. This is a video with a curling iron. So what I'm going to be using is the Suture Beauty Travel Mini Curling Iron, and I went ahead and heated it up already, so it's getting hot for us. So what you're going to want to do first is section off one side of your hair. By the way, you want to make sure that your hair is already blow dried. What I'm going to do is take my hair and section it off kind of like this. Take the front part, because you always want to start with the back first, and put this up. It looks weird. This looks really weird. Okay, put that up like that, like so, like that. I'm really good at stuff with the TikTok references. So then I'm going to take two parts of my hair here, and I'm going to start with one. So the trick to this, when you're using your curling iron, first of all, you got to make sure it's hot. That's number one. Number two, you want to make sure you take a good chunk of the hair, like so. And the first part, which is the part all the way in the back, which is this one here, you're gonna do it like this. The second part, which is this one, you're gonna do it like this. Oh, I think it's under and over, that's what they say? Yeah. Do this for the whole head. Part of this side is now finished. You're gonna take the front part of this side, and this is the front portion. So first, what I had ended up doing, and mind you, this is all trial and error because I haven't been curling my hair for that long anyway. I had first separated my hair by 2 because I said, oh, my hair is like kind of thin, let me try by 2, see how it goes. The curl didn't come out I guess shaped enough, so I ended up separating by 4 the back of my head. So now here we're gonna separate by 2 as well. And when I say 4, that means there were 2 sections of my head and I took 2 apart in the top. This is just 1 section of my head, so this is gonna be 2. The most important part is the front section because this has to be shaped in a certain way to kind of frame your face. So let's put that to the side. Like more difficult than the thingies. Okay, perfect. Oh, that was actually, oh wow, that's tight. Okay, this is going to go under because the top portion of my head is going to be over. The first side is done. This is what that side looks like. I'm gonna leave the curls bunched up like this, but I'm gonna do the other side obviously first, and then after I'm done I'm gonna just rake my hand through the whole thing. So bear with me guys, we're almost done. Hey everybody, so I ended up having to do the other half of my head off camera because my memory card ended up going and saying that there was no memory left, so I had to literally transfer that over to my computer. And then my camera was already dying a bit, so I just charged it for a minute, but it's only been about 30 minutes, so well, not 30 minutes, like maybe less than 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I told you guys in the beginning of the video, which is put my hands through my head. Go. Ah! And see how these two frame my face perfectly. But yes guys, this is the final look. This is exactly how it should come out if you follow what I did on the other side of my head. Sorry that I couldn't film this side, but it's essentially the same thing. I'm going to talk to you guys now about the curling iron that I'm using. So the flat iron that I'm using is the Suture Beauty one, and it is a travel sized iron. If this was a full sized one, gosh, I don't even know what I'd be able to do. I'd probably be able to do so much more. But this one came in my Boxy Luxe for the month of March, and I never heard of Suture Beauty before. Like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I don't even curl my hair like that, but this really made me want to do that, and I'm so happy that I had done it and I took the chance that day to do it, because now well, I'm just loving this look. That's all I gotta say. Look cute. But no. So yeah, if you guys are beginners and are looking into getting a curling iron, I'd check out Suture Beauty. I'll link them down below. I don't even know how much this goes for, but I'll link the flat iron down below in the description, and I guess when you click the link it'll tell you the price there. But yeah, this is a cute little nifty flat curling iron, and I'm so excited because I can take this with me on vacation. Like I could literally just wrap this up. It comes in a nice little black bag, so that's awesome. and it actually had a paper like one of these. You know how the BY.C gives you this for the month of March, and it actually had a bunch of information for suture, but I kind of cleaned my room up and I don't know where the heck that is, if I even still have it. So I'm sorry I can't show you guys that. Look at that. I'm in love. Honestly, like I said, I don't use any hairspray because this is literally for me, just like if I'm gonna go out one night like really quick, or if I'm just messing around in my house, because regardless if I use hairspray or not, regardless if I wrap my hair up or not, the next day it is not gonna be anywhere near as nice as it looks right now, and that's just because my hair is fine and thin, so I just live with it. But I hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload, you'll get a notification, and you don't have to wait for me to like post it all over social media for you to see. It'll just be a little notification on your phone like, hey, Kim has uploaded, so come see her video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm always on there talking nonsense and craziness and just being my beautiful little blonde self. They're all under SlayedByK.C. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. What would you like to see me do? Tell me what you're looking for, and maybe I'll be able to do it for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.